3, 2. What's up, Tackleboys? What's up, Tackleboys? Here we are back on the 3rd anniversary puddle there of our first video where we did our first fly fishing trip in Clear Creek back in Ohio, and now we're in Half Moon Bay, California.
Trying to catch some lane cod.
You're probably getting tired of this place because I just made a sea urchin video here, but we're doing a birthday trip. It's my birthday today.
Birthday boy, big 3-0.
Zachy came out of California so we could finally make a real Tackleboys video.
Yeah, baby.
With the two of us.
Oh, look at that.
We got high tide right now.
Pretty pretty.
High tide. We're gonna go out on the jetty, the rock jetty, and I brought my crab snare. We're gonna try to catch a crab. We also have, Zach, wanna show them that lure?
Yeah.
We got a nice 1/2 ounce jig head, little green grub on it.
Gus is gonna go purple.
We're gonna try and catch a rockfish, or finally, the quest continues for a ling cod. So we're gonna try to catch a cod, a rockfish, maybe some crabs. But most importantly, we're gonna enjoy this beautiful day, this beautiful weather on December 28th.
Gus's birthday.
2019, my 30th birthday.
Happy birthday.
Thanks, Zach.
You get a hit? Keep hitting seaweed. It's seaweed. Walk a mile to gain freedom.
Oh. Dude, Zach, you got the magic. You're a lucky boy.
Slouchy. Gussie's big 30. He's the man.
So grateful to be out here with Gussie.
Say hi, Gus. I can't. No, I think it was a seaweed. Oh, someone caught a fish over there. It looks like it's just on like a hook and a. Yeah. This is my first time fishing on the Pacific. And it's beautiful. Half Moon Bay. It's absolutely beautiful. Oh! Oh. Dude, this freaking seaweed is killing me.
Dude, how cool is this, Zach? Oh, I just lost my squids. I'm gonna try Oceanside. I got an inline crab snare. The 3-ounce weight built into it. Has some snares on it. I just picked this up at a tackle shop. I'm gonna cast it out, I don't know, where it looks crabby, and then let it sit. I've got squid in there. Let's see if we can get a little crabby boy. I know this rod's not big enough, but whatever. All right, we let this thing sit for 20 minutes or so. No crabs yet. Zach's all the way down there, and he's gonna try and film and fish a little more along these rocks and try and catch a cod or a rockfish or anything that's biting. We haven't caught anything yet today, but we're holding faith. Oh boy. that we still have a chance. So hopefully Zach hooks into something here real soon. Right down here in the good zone. Okay, turn it back on in a little bit. There we go.
Dude, that's epic.
A little bounce cast. We haven't caught anything yet, but they're catching fish over there. Zach's gonna try down here. Little screamer birds. I keep feeling little taps on my little squid box down here. And I hope it's crabs trying to bite it. We'll see. Little guys try and get in there and get the goodies. I'm gonna reel it in about 3 minutes. Time to see what's on this. What I've seen online, and I've never done this before, and I know this pole isn't actually big enough for this type of fishing, but it's the only one I've got right now. So what you want to do here is kind of crank it down till the line's tight, and then on the first pole, you really want to pretend like you're almost setting a hook so that those little nooses, those little like snares on the trap actually close down and clamp down on the crab's legs. So that's what I'm going to do here, and then you just keep pressure on your line as you reel it in. First I want to feel. That feels like I might have one. Feels heavy. Feels heavy. Feels heavy. Feels heavy. Yeah, baby. Zachy. Yeah, big boy. Huge one. Huge crab.
Dude, you got one.
Huge crab. Are you kidding me right now? That's a beast. This guy was chowing down. Oh my gosh, it worked. It worked. All right, now's the hard part. I got to figure out what to put this in. It's for sure big enough to keep. I think this is a red rock crab. I've seen guys online grab them by the back legs. It's my only frame of reference. That's definitely big enough to keep. Holy crap. Look at that sucker. It's a male. You can tell because it's got like a wiener shape down there. Look at those claws. I'm gonna definitely measure it to make sure here in a second, but that's awesome, dude. That is so cool. Look at that. Mondo crab. The other issue we have today is we didn't bring a bucket because we're dinguses. So I'm gonna have to put this guy in this bag that we found on the rocks and then throw that bag in my backpack. Maybe not. What do I do with this? All right, backpack it is. You come out to go crabbing, you gotta make sure you bring the right stuff. Hey, Zachy! Can you come here real quick?
You gonna put him in this thing?
Sucker.
He's huge.
This is the biggest red rock crab.
Is that what you were going for?
Yeah.
That's huge.
It's a monster. If you're using a rod, this is just a 7-foot medium heavy. It's actually not big enough. If you're using one like this, I just realized if you reel it all the way up to the top and bounce it a little bit and then cast, you can get further. So I'm just bouncing, and then letting her launch. It's getting me out far enough. Then you just let it sink and then let it sit for like 10 minutes, and here's to hoping we catch another one. That was awesome. We measured it. It's definitely a keeper red rock crab. My first crab ever in California. Yeah, baby. So now we know for next time, we need a rag for our squid hands. We need a cooler or a bucket with ice in it. And maybe we should go to the South Jetty.
Yeah, that was pretty nice over there.
Still a long walk.
We've been hitting this wall, the rock wall. We've tried a lot of spinner baits, swimming baits. Haven't really caught anything.
No.
But the crab trap.
Crab trap.
That's it. That's where the money's at. So now
It's chilling out there right now.
I've switched to a single hook and some squid. That's right.
Hook them in the mouth.
Gotta hook them in the mouth.
Oh boy. All right, we're gonna turn it on when Zach hooks them in the mouth.
We got what we came for though.
Yeah, we have a beautiful,
Birthday.
beautiful day. Couldn't have asked for a better day. Look at this guy fishing on his kayak. That's the ticket home right there.
I think there's a crab. Oh.
Every now and then I get a little bit. Oh! Stop!
Oh, get him up! Get him up!
Oh, careful. He's not snared. He's just holding on by his claws. Oh, wait, no, he's snared. Thank God.
I got him right here in this rock area.
Yeah! All right, we're good. We're Gucci. Look at the barnacle bob on that guy.
Oh, boy.
All right, I'm gonna
Oh, that's a big guy.
take off your squid.
All right. Barnacle Bob.
Dude. That's a fat mama. That's a
Dude.
lady. It's a lady one.
Should we toss her?
No. I think you can keep ladies.
Is she?
We'll look it all up. We'll make sure these are all legit. But just so everyone knows, the keeper size on these is 4 inches on a red rock crab. It's 5 3/4 on a Dungeness. These are red rock crabs. You can tell they have little black tips on their pinchers, and obviously they're super red. But we'll make sure. We're gonna look up everything, make sure they're legal before we take them home. If you come out here and fish on a jetty like this, you actually don't need a California fishing license. You can just come out here and fish. It counts as a public pier. But we have them just in case. So here we go. Put these guys away. We're gonna call it a day pretty soon.
Woohoo! Go Gussie!
Yeah, baby.
Happy birthday!
Yeah, baby. Birthday crab. Ah! Shit! He's like, don't mess with my face.
There you go.
Oh, look at that freaking kraken, dude. Kraken hand. The other hand's what got me. I grabbed this claw, and his other claw just went bop. You grab those back legs. Ah! Ah! Nah.
Get him with his. Loop his wiener.
I can hold this claw down. Grab those 2 back legs.
Don't worry about some of his buddies.
Grab all of his back legs together. 4 of them. There you go. There you go. Now you got him. Now you got him.
She's calling for me. She's going for me.
There we go. There we go.
It's scary as hell.
Yeah. Listen.
Oh, dude, we got something on there, guys.
It's time.
Yeah, it looks like we got.
All right, I think it was a good thumbnail shots.
Cool. Hey, cheers.
Crab bros. We got
Good job,
Mama
I
and
guess.
Papa. Dude, this guy wrecked me. All right, throw Mama in there.
All right, help us, Jesus. Oh, dude, it's slippery, man. Woo! Oh. Hey-oh. Let's go, man. 1, 2, 3. Let's not tackle boys.
You probably can't tell from here, but it's really far. We were all the way on the point out there. But we're back, we made it.
We conquered the crabs. Exactly what we came for.
Crab Masters.
It was a birthday bash to remember.
It's a pleasant surprise to see this actually work. It was awesome.
It was fun. It was exciting. It was a good workout. I can't wait to eat those crabs.
Me neither. We're gonna go home, boil them up.
Little birthday bash, man.
Easy crab boil. They were all legal. The keeper size is 4 inches on those crabs, and you can keep 35. We only did 3. That's all we need.
Smallest one was probably 5 inches, maybe a little bigger.
A big boy's a big boy.
Maybe pushing 7
Probably
plus.
7.
This fun time. Dude, thanks for taking me. That was awesome.
Good job.
It's
Tackleboys episode.
Yes.
First one in a long time.
I'm so grateful. Love you, man.
Love you too. Thanks for watching, guys. We'll make one soon.
See
Maybe
ya.
next time I'm in Ohio, we'll do it again.
Love you, Tackleboys.
Peace.